Hey British Columbia, it's Sheldon, truck hunter BC, working out of Willowbrook Chrysler 19611 in Langley, BC. 19611 Langley bypass, actually, let me finish that. Here with the 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited Edition. So it is in fact an all-wheel drive. It is in fact a 7-seater. It is the V6, so still has a passing gear, but good on gas. Just over 25,000 kilometers on it, and as a limited it is pretty much fully loaded. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, it's auto stop start on this. It's got the power tailgate on it as well. It does have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, does have the panoramic roof, and low kilometers you would expect. The leather's in very good shape. Does have heated second row as well. It is tri-climate control. Beautiful vehicle, balance of the factory warranty left on it. Do take trades, financing on site, can get you pre-approved by phone. We deliver anywhere in British Columbia. Call me BC 604-362-2922.